Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on address verification and Zip+4 Lookup using the Geodata Address Verification Excel template. In today's video, we're going to explore what address verification is, why it's essential for businesses, and how you can effortlessly correct your address lists using USPS Zip+4 data with our powerful Excel template. Let's dive in. Address verification is the process of validating, standardizing, and correcting addresses using authoritative data sources, like USPS Zip+4. By ensuring that your addresses follow the approved format and include the extended Zip+4 codes, you're not only improving data accuracy, but also enhancing delivery reliability and reducing shipping errors. With the template, there is no need to spend frustrating hours looking up address data on the USPS website or other sources. USPS Zip+4 codes offer a host of benefits over the traditional 5-digit zip codes. Enhanced accuracy. Zip+4 codes pinpoint delivery locations to a more specific segment, reducing misdeliveries. Optimized logistics. With more precise address data, you can streamline shipping routes and cut down on delivery times. Cost savings. Accurate addresses mean fewer returned packages and reduced operational costs. Data quality. Improved address data empowers better analytics for marketing, research, and business intelligence. CDXGeodata is a powerful tool designed specifically for batch geocoding, address verification, and other types of location analysis. CDXGeodata was developed for both business users as well as programmers that need powerful location analytics. These functions can be accessed through user-friendly Excel add-ons that work in both Windows and Mac OS environments. Geodata web services can also be consumed directly for website and software program development. The Geodata Address Verification template is designed specifically to correct and standardize your address lists using USPS Zip+4 data. Whether you're managing customer data, shipping orders, or conducting market research, this tool ensures your address information is up to date and in the approved format, all within a user-friendly Excel interface. To follow along, you'll need the geocoding template. Simply download it from the templates page on our website. A link for this is included in the video description. As you can see, many application templates are available for distance, address verification, and other applications. Once downloaded, open the file in Excel. Make sure macros are enabled, because the template uses VBA macros to retrieve data from Google. Excel files containing macros may need to be unblocked after downloading from the web. A link is available in the template describing how to do this. As a first step, you will need to set up a Geodata API key. You can get a free one-time API key with 100 request tokens on our website without registering. Obtaining the key does not require a login email or credit card. This will allow you to try out the service risk-free. The template initially opens to a help screen describing how to use it. Press the Get Started button or click on the first tab. As a first step, enter the Geodata API key you received using the Settings button. You will receive confirmation if your key is successfully entered. On the Address Verification tab, you'll see row 5 is used for your first address entry. You can enter a complete address in column B or enter street, city, state, and zip code in separate columns. Once your data is in place, click Verify Addresses to check your list. The results will appear in columns F through P with the Zip+4 in column J. Note that additional data is provided such as county, zip code latitude and longitude, and data point barcode DPBC. Let's try a quick demonstration. I've entered a list of addresses. When I click Verify Addresses, the template sends these addresses to the CDXGeodata server, which then returns results to your spreadsheet. As you can see, the entire process is fast and efficient, saving you the manual hassle of using external map lookups or other tools. Once your account is configured, long lists of addresses can be completed with a single click. The Geodata Address Verification template is designed specifically to correct and standardize your address lists using USPS Zip+4 data. Whether you're managing customer data, shipping orders, or conducting market research, this tool ensures your address information is up to date and in the approved format, all within a user-friendly Excel interface. With your newly verified address data, you can optimize shipping and logistics, use the accurate address data to streamline delivery routes and reduce shipping errors, enhance data analysis, leverage precise location information for market segmentation, regional performance analysis, and business intelligence. Boost marketing and research efforts. Target campaigns more effectively with dependable address data, ensuring you reach the right audience every time. That's it. You've learned how to harness the power of the Geodata address verification template to correct and standardize your address lists with USPS Zip+4 data. Enjoy improved accuracy, reduce shipping errors, and smarter data for your business. For more details on subscription options and additional features, visit our website at cdxtech.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel and location analysis tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. See you next time.